Well, this is the first look at my vintage Shadow motorcycle, and I'm at beautiful North Beach in Spring Lake, Michigan. It's about a mile from my house. And here she is. I got it about 3 weeks ago. Fell in love with it when I first tried it out. It's an amazing motorcycle. Runs great, handles awesome, a lot of fun to ride. And it's about, I think it's about 65 degrees here. Quite a few people on the beach. There's no wind to speak of. Been seeing a lot of ships, a lot of activity on the water. I see a few in the distance right now, but in the future I'm going to do a video of the stairs. I don't know how many hundred stairs there are, but used to climb them when I was younger, but I'll make an attempt again. But I don't know how far I'll get. It's a lot more than Castle Rock up in the UP St. Ignace, I think. But anyway, just wanted to show off my Honda Shadow. Hope everybody's enjoying their beautiful weekend. Bye for now.